Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin mid-process. Enable airplane mode now to cut cellular radios, then immediately re-enable Wi-Fi. This lets you comply with rules while using on-board or airport networks. Make sure Bluetooth stays off unless you need a headset. Once airplane mode is on, tap Wi-Fi in quick settings and hold to open networks. This prevents accidental mobile data. You do this because modern phones block radios globally, so re-adding Wi-Fi gives internet access without cellular signals. Once Wi-Fi is active, choose the airline SSID and wait for the captive portal to appear. If it does not, open any browser page to trigger it. Enter your voucher or card details only on the airline's portal and watch for HTTPS in the address bar. Make sure to disable automatic backups and heavy app updates before connecting to save data and speed. Also, set apps to manual sync so pages and streaming start quickly, and avoid surprise charges from paid services. To finish, validate connectivity by loading a lightweight site or the airline's welcome page and check speed. Then set video apps to low quality to conserve bandwidth. If you need secure browsing, enable a trusted VPN after the portal accepts payment because public Wi-Fi can be untrusted. If things go wrong, first toggle Wi-Fi off and on, forget the network and reconnect, then reboot the phone. If that fails, ask the crew for voucher troubleshooting or try a different device to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.